Hi drilling folks, welcome to this short tutorial on how to navigate the KickDrill WellControl app. In this guide we'll focus on the home page, the starting point for most of the app's core functionality. KickDrill is available for download on Google Play for Android platforms and the App Store for iOS. You can install it on both mobile phones and tablets. The larger the screen, the easier it is to work with. The app is free to download and use, but if you want to strengthen your WellControl knowledge, prepare for a certification course, or practice exam-style questions, you should consider a 1-week or 1-year subscription. Subscriptions can be cancelled at any time. This tutorial gives you a short overview of the subscription version. Getting started. Launch the KickDrill by tapping the app icon. After the splash screen, you will arrive at the home page, which contains 8 main buttons arranged in rows. Before we begin, note that you can switch between metric and API units, feet, gallons, and liters and bar, wherever calculations are involved. The main features. Practice. You can access a quiz section with 500 to 600 questions covering the syllabus of the IADC and IWCF WellControl courses. The questions are divided into main topics, procedures and practices referred to as PMP, and equipment. Both these topics are divided into surface and subsea BOP installations. PMP is again divided into roles, drillers and supervisor. In total, there are about 20 subtopics. This makes the app ideal for certification preparation, but also serves as a great daily reference tool on the rig. There are some helpful tools on each question page. The hint symbol, the light bulb. This gives you guidance towards the solution without revealing the full answer. The solution symbol, or the question mark, shows the complete explanation. The email symbol we have at the very bottom there, that will send us a screenshot of the question with your comments. You usually receive a reply quickly. Then we go to the exam button. There you can take unlimited exams to test your knowledge. Select exams from one of the 6 categories or 6 groups. Results are stored in your statistics if you've toggled the Add to Statistics to On, this button here. Questions are randomly selected from the full database. I've just rushed through an exam here just to show the end result, or what happens at the end here. I've now answered randomly all the questions. You can see at the bottom of the page, you will see if you have answered or not answered a question. If you've answered it, it gets blue. We then submit the exam. And I will, as you see here, I've answered 21. I haven't answered. There's one I haven't answered. Not very high score here, so I just wiped through them. But there we can go into the report section and look at the exam. And these are all the questions that I did not answer correctly. I can save this report for later check. Then I can go back again and go back to the home page. We have then the statistics. There you can track your progress across all quiz categories. As you see here, I've done browsed many exams where I've just browsed through the exams. We can clear any of these if you want to go, if you want to start from fresh with your exam statistics. Scenario practice. This simulates a kick situation from drilling into a kick until it is circulated out. Mirrors the IWGF practical exam flow, guiding you through the roles of driller and supervisor, tool pusher. Each step reflects actions that will be taken in a real-life drilling scenario. Need to know. This is a reference library of essential well control topics like a digital textbook. It includes several topics like barrier philosophy, kill sheet calculations, rate density changes versus pressure, riser margins, hydrates, BOP functionality, control system, auxiliary equipment. Content is there updated periodically, so check for new material. Then we have the good to know. This covers more additional practical topics not always emphasized in standard courses. Examples are kick tolerance, step-down charts, accumulator sizing, negative pressure test considerations, etc. You can search on keywords in both need to know and good to know. On the last button, we have the SI API button. This provides conversion factors and lists relevant API standards. Useful for referencing regulations, guidelines, and technical specifications. Then lastly, we have the kill sheet section. This contains completed kill sheets. And the input data for these kill sheets are found at www.kickdrill.com under the kill sheet banner. There you can view and download several kill sheets, subsea and surface, as well as API units and metric. If you are unsure of how to enter values in a kill sheet, you can go to the section on kickdrill.com on how to fill in the kill sheet. Some additional features. As we showed on the first page, we have the unit selector. You select your API units or metric units. We have some user info at the top here. User guide, for instance, shows you in more detail the various functions. You can search by keywords, say annular, And then comes all the questions that has annular in them. Although you can search whatever word, and if a question contains that word, it will come up here. You can go then directly into the question by pressing on the question itself, and it will show you whatever it has of help and so on with this question. You can also search by QID. All the questions has a separate ID number. And you can also go and you view your last report. If you recall, I had an exam there that I just browsed through and a lot of errors on it. But there you can go in and look at each question and see what the question was about and what the solution was, and so on. Some learning tips at the end here. Keep a calculator and sheet of paper nearby. Writing down calculations will make the learning process smoother and more effective. So we hope you enjoy working with the KickDrill WellControl app and that it helps you contribute to safe well operations. For any questions, contact us at contact@kickdrill.com. Thank you for watching.